Like any other cloud provider, Google Cloud is evolving very rapidly. More and more services are being added, and these services integrate with each other to provide you a solution. With all the new and disparate cloud services out there, it can be tough for developers and cloud users to stay up to date on the latest best practices and capabilities. Ramping up on a new cloud, wading through the initial setup, and stitching different services to form a complete solution can be complex and time consuming. When you are pulling yourself through documentation or trying to extract information from Google and other search engines, you must be wondering, is there a better way? Well, Jump Start solutions from Google Cloud are one answer. Jump Start solutions are pre-built, simple applications and infrastructure best practices that you can deploy within a few clicks in your own Google Cloud account. You'll get hands-on experience and learn an interactive environment right in the Google Cloud Web Console, playing around with open source code and seeing how everything works together. This will help you quickly build confidence and get familiar with the Google Cloud products. Google has built these solutions based on common use cases what companies are using out there. They include from building a dynamic website to deploying a log analytics pipeline to setting up a load balanced VM cluster. And there will be more and more jumpstart solutions in the Google Cloud Zone as Google is committed to add more. For example, say you want to build a web application. You can do this on Google Cloud with a dynamic web app jumpstart solution as shown on your screen. First, you will see the Cloud Web Console page for this solution, which details the Google Cloud product incorporated into the solution. In this case, Cloud Run, Cloud SQL, Cloud Build, Cloud Storage, Firebase, and other key Google products are included. From here, you can also dig into the architecture diagram of this solution with the description of the associated infrastructure with baked in best practices. There is also an estimated monthly price for this solution with more details available in the pricing calculator. And if you have any Google Cloud free tier credits, you can apply them too. Then you just simply click on deploy, and once you deploy it, then the deployment kicks off in the background and you will receive a notification in a few minutes once deployment completes. So once that's done, then you can go into your deployment screen. You can find out different ways to see the solution. Then you can check your web application, view the resources deployed, or even read the documentation. So primarily what is happening is that this jumpstart solution is prioritizing learning by doing. Each pre-built built web app comes with an in-depth documentation guide. So you can deploy it, play around with it, and then once you're comfortable with it, you can build your own application on these lines on the same pattern. And right now there are various things which you can try with these jumpstart solutions, including um, three-tier web app, load balanced VMs, log analysis pipeline, secure CI/CD pipeline, dynamic web application, data warehouse with BigQuery, and this list is growing pretty rapidly. So I hope that this was useful. If you have any feedback, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.